How to post a video on TikTok Shop. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how you'll be able to post a video in your TikTok Shop. Simply go to your profile and go to the three bars menu on the upper right corner and go to Creator Tools. Once you're routed into this page, all you have to do is to click on TikTok Shop for Creator and you'll be routed into this page. All you have to do is to go to Product Marketplace and choose a product or select a product that you want to post in your TikTok Shop. Here at the product marketplace, there's a lot of informations or products that you can choose from different categories. And you can easily look into products as well, like in the best-selling products. And once you've chosen a product, you can simply go to product management and then go to showcase and simply click on the circle icon right here. And all you have to do is to select a product that you want to post on TikTok Shop. Here, once you have selected a product, you can input a product pitch. This is a product info to boost your sale. Make sure it's 100 characters, and once you're done, you can go ahead and click on generate video. When you click on generate video, here with TikTok Shop, they actually automatically provide a automatic or generated videos for you to choose from. Whether you can use the video that they've generated for you or you can create your own video if you have the personal experience or first-hand experience of that specific product. So it's like a product review, but here this is just an automatic generation from TikTok. And all you have to do is to select the different variations that they have curated for you. And once you've selected the product, simply click on post on TikTok. And then you will be setting up the product name. Make sure it's only 30 characters and simply click on add button. When you click on add button, here you can do the edits like adding some filters, text, voiceovers. You can trim the video, and once you're done, just simply click on next. And here are the details for the video that you'll be posting. You can add hashtag, product information, mentions, or even location. You can also add or modify the link for that specific product. You can set up the audience, and once you're done, simply click on post. And that video will now be posted into your TikTok Shop. And that's basically it. That's how you post a video on TikTok Shop. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!